All right, this time of year, everybody needs a holiday party appetizer, and this one is so quick and easy. Little puff pastry ham and cheese tarts, and I'm gonna top them with a little bit of pepper jelly. Let's see if they're good. They're good. They're very, very good. I might eat half of these for lunch today. Let me tell you how I made it. 4 ounces of cream cheese, and this is softened from the standpoint that I've just taken it out of the refrigerator a few hours ago. A little salt, pepper, and garlic salt, and this is just a blend of those things, but you could add them separately if you wanted to. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of ground mustard. I'm gonna grate some cheese, about a cup of cheese. Cup of chopped ham. I'm gonna grab some fresh chives from my lettuce grow. And then I'm just gonna mix it all together. Package of puff pastry that I defrosted, so it's been in the fridge since yesterday. It's under about 24 pieces. They do not need to be perfect. I'm gonna put each square down in the muffin tin, mini muffin tin. Dollop of the mixture in each one. We're going in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. Alexa, set timer 15 minutes. Woo! Okay, it's done. Get the full recipe on GrownupDish.com.